Okay, today we're going to be installing a rear poly windshield on my 2018 Polaris General. This is the base model. I've done a few mods. I've, of course, replaced the wheels and tires, added a front bumper and winch on it, but it's going to be a simple installation, and later on we'll be doing a glass windshield up front. And I decided to go with a poly rear window, just to save some money, save about a couple $100. This was I purchased through Amazon. I believe the company was A&UTV Pro. I think I paid about $174 for it. Fairly simple installation. There's a plastic panel that fills in here, keep the dust out, and then the poly panel that goes up front here. So I'm going to do a short installation video, and later on when we get the glass windshield up front, we'll do another one. Alright, our first step is to remove the seats. Give us a little better access to the back window. I'm going to tilt the bed back a little bit, give a little more access. We're going to be installing the filler panel first. I'm going to just kind of roughly set it in place so we can drill a few holes. We'll have these, looks like 5 holes that we got to drill, and we put the plastic rivets in there. First thing we got to do is line up. There's 4 holes that we will put a temporary screw in just to make sure everything's lined up perfectly before we mark these 5 holes and drill it. You just want to temporarily put these little screws in the corners. That way it gives you a little bit better position to before you drill your holes. That way make sure everything's lined up. These are the screws I was talking about. There's 2 on each side. Stick them in temporarily so you have a better location here to mark your screw holes or rivet holes that you got to drill. Next step is to drill the 5 holes here with a 5/16 inch drill bit. You're going through plastic, so it doesn't take long to get through it. Okay, after we got our holes drilled, we're going to use these push pin rivets. And that just goes down through the plastic, and this rivet pushes down there to spread out the flanges. Pretty simple. And the next step is to tighten up those 4 screws. Okay, now you can go ahead and ratchet down those 4 screws. And that's kind of what it looks like when it's the bottom portion's on. Now we'll go ahead and insert the poly rear window. Okay, now we insert the rear window. Inserting the rear window, you put these flanges down over this bar, and these things here, they're horizontally. You flip them up. There's 3 of them, and it fits pretty good. And then you can go ahead and remove the plastic, protective plastic. So that's pretty much it. Nice clean installation, fairly easy to do. Only a few tools. Looks nice. And we'll be installing the front windshield here in the next day or so. And that one's a glass one. These are the brackets that you turn upright to lock it in place.